My little tiger.
Na 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 na. Oh, it's rain suddenly. Oh.
Hold on, please. Chill. Don't you have an umbrella?
No, I haven't.
Would I make your umbrella?
Really? Hooray! Yes, yes.
Today's weather. It's going to rain. It's going to rain all day.
I love sunny days, but today is gonna be a rainy day.
I'm making a sky blue airplane. Someone who likes to fly? I wanna go to travel far away.
I don't like the rain. It's cold and wet. I run to my grandma and ask her, "Oh, grandma, why are there clouds? Why does it thunder? Why does it rain?"
Dry it for a few hours. It will be transparent like a glass. Put this on inside of umbrella. Don't forget clouds in the sky. If you don't have a cloud drawing, don't worry. You can draw it yourself.
Take a shower, then water drops fall to the ground.
Oh, grandma,
Mix the color what you wanna create.
I like to take showers too. Now I love the rain and I love rainbows after the rain. Wow, it's a rainbow! Mom, how is the weather?
I don't know.
Hello? Hello, and how is the weather?
Put the clouds beside the plane.
The weather.
It is snowy.
Hello, mouse, how is the weather?
It is cloudy.
Hello, duck, how is the weather?
How about the sun and moon on the umbrella? It will be more beautiful. I'm making the yellow moon and the orange sun.
It is cloudy, cloudy. It is rainy, rainy. But I want to go out. Let's go anyway. Wow, it is sunny. It's a nice day to go out. Sunny day. Let's go out. Yeah, that sounds great. Let's do it. 1, 2, chan, chan, chan. 3, 4, chan, chan, chan.
Are you ready? I love the sun.
If you wanna work more delicately, use something like toothpick.
Because it is warm.
Because it is bright.
Because it is bright.
Much better. What about animal friends on the umbrella? I'm making a rabbit holding a carrot. Isn't it so cute?
It's warm and bright. Oh no! It's going to rain! I don't like the rain. It's cold and wet. I run to my grandma and ask her, "Oh, Grandma, why are there clouds? Why does it thunder? Why does it rain?" Because of that.
Uh-oh, I make a mistake. Sorry, rabbit, you don't get a carrot. Shark, would you like a rainy day, maybe? Because fish like water.
They are always messy. Look at the dark cloud. It's time for a bath. The thunder calls the elves. The elves take a shower. Then water drops fall to the ground.
Shark is so appropriate with this umbrella.
I got a pretty umbrella. Thank you so much. Now I have no problem with rain. How was today? If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up and subscribe me please. See you, bye!
Wow! It's a